Hi.
Hey.
Is that you, Jess? What do y'all want to say?
Nothing. Nobody wants to make a video at
Nothing
11:17
since Jess can't say
a.m.
anything.
PM.
I'm just
whatever it
tired,
is.
Jess. You're mean, Jimmy. Twitch. Your face.
I just took a drink of one and also not taking it.
You can't really see your face, but... You're like the weirdest family ever.
Okay. Oh man, I thought it was coming back on.
How's the baby doing?
Here, hold me.
See that?
This is my 17-year-old pregnant girlfriend, and she acts like she's 12. Say hi, baby.
Baby, put that in.
The other day, she was taking a poop, and she was constipated. In the story. She wanted me to dig my finger up there and pull the turd out.
That is.
She asked me to.
No.
Yes, she did.
Really?
No.
She said, "Grandma,